What's going on, YouTube? You already know YouTube. It's your boy Sensei here again, coming at y'all with another video. And what I'm gonna talk about today, we're gonna get straight into it. I gotta say before I start speaking that everything I'm speaking about today is for educational purposes only. Do whatever you're gonna do at your own risk. I do not promote any type of activity that I talk about on this channel. This is all for educational purposes only. This is all hypothetical. What you can or can't or you shouldn't do, whatever you do on your own is on your own. Educational purposes only. That's it. All right. So, I've been seeing some misconceptions in the CPN game as far as like what a trade line does, what an authorized user does for you, what it doesn't do for you. So let me just break this down. So an authorized user in 2023 is not going to have that much power as it is in 2020 or 2018 like it did back then. An authorized user today is really just to be for your score, right? Now, there are certain bank accounts, there are certain banks that take authorized users in consideration over other banks, such as Synchrony Bank, okay? That's a bank that takes authorized users in considerable consideration. As far as if you got an authorized user that's 5 years, another one that's 8 years, and another one that's 4 years. Some people say it's not good to stack authorized users. You only need 1 or 2. I personally have seen that stacking the right amount of authorized users, right? And also stacking the right amount of credit profiles is how you get to the big bags. So how you get to the big bags is you go for these Synchrony Bank cards, and you probably put 2 authorized users that's got a high limit and as maximum years as you could possibly do, 1 or 2 primaries on your account, and you'll be able to go to certain Synchrony banks. And when I say Synchrony, I mean like store cards. So that's like JCPenney, Wayfair, Best Buy. Best Buy is a good one. Best Buy, they take Synchrony Bank, they Synchrony, but they take authorized users into account. So you could get busy with a CPN with an authorized 2-3 authorized users. As soon as it's got a score, it's ready for action. Like it's pretty much ready for action. Once you put that score on there, you're pretty much ready for action. You know what I'm saying? Now, when it comes to getting to the big bags, you kind of want to get towards like, I want to say you want to do like, try to get to going towards the business side. But we'll talk about that for another time on another video. But I just wanted to update this video on the services that I provide. I provide services if you need scannable IDs, I can get that for you. As far as if you need physical, that's going to take a little bit more time. If you need like a actual picture photocopy of an ID, bank statement, anything like that, hit me up on Telegram. I'm going to put the Telegram on this video so that you guys can hit me up with your questions, consultations, and all my services. I've been seeing that Father's Day didn't really get no love this year. And I ain't gonna lie, that kind of had me a little like, you feel me? Fucked up. So I know people out there, they need help and stuff like that. So I'm running a Father's Day sale the next week, maybe possibly the next 2 weeks, going into July. Once July hit, that's it on the sale. So blank CPNs, I'm doing them for about $45. $45 to get you a blank CPN. You get your own number. You just hit me up. I'm going to give you all the information, Telegram and whatever, you know what I'm saying. Consultations for any questions you have regarding anything you got going on. consultations are gonna be, let's say, $25. Let's just say $25 for the consultations. Trade lines, hit me up on the trade lines, depending on, you know, how hard was it to get and stuff like that. But, you know, I could do a deal for you. It might be 70, 80, 90 bucks, $100. $100 trade lines is still a good deal to get busy. Get you a $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 credit card, just like that, off a fresh 2-month-old CPN. Yeah, if you inquiring about anything else, then just let me know. I also got access to the real Cash App glitch, not the fake one, that Punch Made Dev and all them been. You send them your money, $200-$300, and they never to be seen again. You feel me? Type shit. So, for that, I mean, I got that for the low. You know, I got that off the love. So, just hit me up. I could give you that for $80 and tell you how to maximize that. The Cash App glitch is $80. But the whole point is this is a Father Day sale for the next two weeks. You know what I'm saying? So Father Day sale, whatever services you have, and if you can prove that you're a father, I might even work with you and go lower, not lawyer, go lower. I might even work with you and go lower than what I'm talking about, because fathers need love too. You feel me? This is some fucking bullshit. But that's really all I got for y'all right now. Just kind of giving you what a trade line can do in 2023, what it can't do, and stuff like that. Just wanted to make another updated video about my services. Y'all make sure y'all hit me up on Telegram, bro. I don't make too many of these videos. I don't do too much of this stuff. So y'all make sure y'all hit me up, man. And if you need any services, CPN, need any credit cards, some CCs, I could get that. Whatever you need, bro. Whatever questions you have, don't come in my PM asking me a bunch of questions. You know you got to book a call for that. Just come in money ready. You know what I'm saying? I want this service. We could talk a price. Just type Father's Day sale, and then we good. Trying to get everybody eating this shit. We need everybody getting to that money. I'm out.